You can also manage inquiries through Fergus Go, as long as you've enabled inquiries in your Fergus desktop settings first. Your Inquiries tab will be in the menu section in the bottom right of the app. Just like on the desktop version, a red dot indicates that there is an inquiry waiting to be actioned. Click on Inquiries and you'll see the list of inquiries here. There is also a button at the top allowing you to share your inquiry form link. When you click this button, you'll be prompted to pick a method of sharing. For example, I can open my Messages app, send it via email, or even just copy the link. From here, you can click on an inquiry to view the details and can then either create a job or reject the inquiry. You can also click on the three dots in the top right to create a job, mark as contacted, or reject the inquiry as well. This will update the status of the inquiry so you have visibility on where it's at and what else may need to be done.